It's not so easy to cut a pumpkin correctly. No problem, we'll show you how to do it. The Hokkaido pumpkin is very popular. We're going to show you a quick and easy way to cut this pumpkin. The Hokkaido pumpkin is very easy to prepare. The skin does not need to be removed. It can simply be eaten as well as the flesh. First, wash the pumpkin briefly under cold running water. Dry it with a clean kitchen towel. And it's time to start. The Hokkaido pumpkin has a relatively hard outer skin. For best results, take a large chef's knife. The Zwilling Pro Chef's Knife is the perfect tool for the job. First of all, top and tail the pumpkin so that it will stay in position while you're cutting it up. Now the pumpkin is firmly seated and you can cut it in half. This is easily done with a slight rocking motion. Use a tablespoon to remove the pulp and seeds. Now hold the pumpkin firmly and cut it into sections, or continue cutting and dice the flesh. That's how easy it is to cut a pumpkin. Enjoy your meal!